information. Wind variable at 3. Visibility 10. Ceiling 3,600 broken. Temperature 13, dew point 04. Altimeter 29908. Runway 23 east. Expect ILS approach. Reback all runway hold short instructions and runway assignment. Advise on contact. Do you have information? Sierra.
Information Sierra. I put the flaps in at 20 degrees. I'm going to check the rudder. Trim is set for takeoff. Elevator trim set for takeoff. Everything's looking good here. And we're just going to go on a heading mode. And it looks like I'm going to guess we're going to do runway 5 straight out to the lake, looking in direction. So we actually don't need to do a heading mode or anything on departure, it's going to be straight out. All right, I always like to do checklists just to make sure we are not missing anything. I've been flying this plane for 3 months now. It's probably going to give us, I don't know, it might give us a right turn out since we're going northbound. We'll just see when. We're flying right over Great America probably. All right, we're going to switch over to tower. Waukegan Tower, Amphib Caravan 180 Sierra Foxtrot holding short 23, ready for takeoff.
Caravan 80 Sierra Foxtrot, Waukegan Tower, runway 23, clear for takeoff. Proceed northwest.
Okay, clear 23 will be a right turn to the northwest, 8 Sierra Fox. All right, we'll follow the yellow line, and we'll get centered up on the runway. Again, we're looking. There's no landing traffic. I don't think we're going to have that problem here at Waukegan. These guys are real pros. We've got a wind out of the left side, so we're going to have to, we're looking for takeoff power right now. Spool it up. There we go. Little left aileron. We don't have much wind today, though. And there's our rotation speed coming. And here we go. You're up. Tap on the brakes. Before I tap on the brakes, I feel like the plane's going to slow down. It's kind of funny. We're not going to do runway 5, of course, so Great America. It'll be off the port side on the left. All right, everything's in the green. Everything's looking good. Bringing the flaps up. I don't like to do my flaps notch by notch. I like to ease them up. Probably the bush pilot part of me. Same with coming down. I just like to, 5 degrees at a time. I mean, it's probably not for everybody, but I like to do.
Bonanza 8 Juliet Hotel, stay altitude.
All right, we're back online here, and we're flying over the lake right now. We're going to drop in a little lower. There's only one boat out here. Well, let's see where our space is for Milwaukee. We got to watch out for Kenosha up here. Okay, we're right under Milwaukee's airspace here. We got Racine Airport right here. We just switched over to that frequency just to monitor. And we're 400 to 500 feet.
Racine traffic 35 upwind, 22, stay in the pattern. Racine.
Okay, we got somebody in the pattern. Racine traffic Caravan, Amphib 180 Sierra Foxtrot. We're about 2 miles northeast of the field, westbound at 1800. Okay, we are 11 miles from Grand Geneva, so it's time to descend. I'll go at 1900 VS.
Remaining traffic, all jumpers away, 14,500 feet below.
Yeah, slow this bird down. That checks out. All right, autopilot off. Some flaps in here. About 5 degrees, like I say, we...
Go ahead. Wilco, thank you.
I see the airport.
Twin R2 Delta Alpha short final 26 crest me.
Landing gear down. Airspeed is 118, so we're there. $20 degrees. We got a gear indicator here on the floats too to double check. All right, airspeed's just above 90.
500.
Grand Geneva traffic, answer Caravan 188 Sierra Foxtrot is
Gear is down for runway landing.
For runway 23, Grand Geneva. All right, I'm almost at full flaps. I'm just holding out a little bit. At about 25. Gas under carriage. Everything's good.
Travis Skyhawk 670.
Pops
left
forward.
base, runway 27, go.
Now we'll go full flaps. And Grand Geneva, and 5th Caravan 180 Sierra Foxtrot, short final 23, Grand Geneva.
Skyhawk 67, final runway 27, go.
I'd say that worked out pretty good. Now we'll do a little beta reverse. The synthetic rivet, we're right on the center line and it's showing us a little to the right. Up the plane.